Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Thank you so much for being here. Today I am going to be reviewing and also giving you a demo of the PMD Clean, which is a facial cleansing device. Now I'm just going to tell you a little bit about it, and then I will go ahead and I will jump right into the demo of me using it. And then at the end I will go ahead and give you my final thoughts of this facial cleansing device. You can get this at Sephora, you can get it at Ulta, you can also get it on PMD's website, or you can get it on Amazon, which is where I got mine. So it also comes in a variety of different colors. It comes in blush, which is this one, so it's a pink color. And then it also comes in a teal color, navy, and also black. It has what is called Sonic Glow technology, and what that means is that this delivers 7,000 vibrations per minute, which is supposed to help give a really good deep cleanse, but it's also supposed to visibly firm, lift, and tone problem areas for a more youthful looking appearance. That is what it says on their website. Also, one of the great things about this is that it is silicone. Because it is silicone, it is odor resistant, antibacterial, hypoallergenic, and also waterproof. And I also love that you do not have to replace the brush head. It's just on there. You never have to buy a new one like a lot of other facial cleansing devices. So it's really great that you don't have to continuously keep purchasing another brush head in order to use this device. So it also has an anti-aging side. I'm just going to open this up. So this is the brush head side here, and then on the back this is your anti-aging massager side. And what you do with this is you can massage in your serums and moisturizers. The point of using the anti-aging massager side is to help your skincare products to absorb better and also work more effectively. And as far as powering this guy, it does not have a charger, but instead it uses a AA battery. So this has 4 modes. It has 2 modes for facial cleansing and also 2 modes for the anti-aging massager. So mode 1, mode 2, mode 3, mode 4. Alright, so without further ado, I'm going to jump right into the demo, and then I will give you my final thoughts on this facial cleansing device.
So the first step is to rinse your face, and then you're going to apply your cleanser. Currently, I've been using the Ole Henriksen Face the Truth Gel Cleanser, and I'm just going to dot this all over my face and then rub it in a little bit. And next, I'm going to wet and power on the device. Now, they recommend using mode 1 or 2 for facial cleansing. I'm using mode 2 just because it is a little bit more intense, but still it is gentle. So I am doing that, and you want to make sure that you move in circular motions. And they say that it is just fine to spend more time on the areas that are of more concern to you. Step 4 is to rinse the device and also your face and then pat dry. So that's what you see me doing here. I use a wet washcloth here to wipe off the cleanser just because that was the easiest way to film it. And then I am just patting my face dry with a fresh dry towel. Step 5 is to massage in your serums and moisturizers. For a serum, I am using the Ole Henriksen Truth Serum. I'm just taking a couple of pumps of that and patting it all over my face. And then I am using the massager side of the device and just moving in upward motions all around my entire face. And I am using mode 4. They recommend that you use mode 3 or 4 for the massager. For a moisturizer, I am using the Ole Henriksen C-Rush Brightening Gel Cream. I'm just dotting this all over my face and rubbing it in, patting it in a little bit, and then again going in upward motions with the massager side of the device.
So my final review of this device is that I really like this. I think that it is worth it. After I use it, it immediately makes my face feel so smooth, baby soft, and I just Love that. It feels so nicely cleansed, and it's also gentle. It doesn't feel harsh on my skin when I'm using it. I'm definitely a huge fan of the fact that I don't have to keep purchasing brush heads. I can just clean this, put it away, I'm good to go, and I don't have to worry about ever buying new brush heads. That's great. Even though it is a bit expensive, it is pretty much just a one-time purchase kind of thing. You just have to purchase AA batteries. It only takes one. So if you get a pack of AA batteries, that should last you for quite a bit of time. I also really enjoy the massager side of the device just because it's kind of relaxing. I feel like it's just kind of a way to pamper yourself. So my overall review of this is that I really like it, and I do think that it is worth it. Alright guys, so I hope that this review was helpful. If you liked it, I would love it if you would give me a thumbs up, and if you would like to see more from me in the future, it would mean so much to me if you would subscribe to my channel. But other than that, I hope that you all have a fantastic rest of your day, and I hope to see you all in my next video. Bye!